Right, hey, what's going on, Freedomers? All right, how to make $100 a day online. So, one, balance, and do that keyword and underline that. Balance, guerrilla marketing and content marketing. Guerrilla marketing would be DM, comments, posting, or like posting is kind of ties into guerrilla, but any special way that you get to direct to consumer. Um, comment content marketing and posting in every way, shape, and form. And this is guerrilla, meaning going back to guerrilla, meaning on any platform where you can be seen. Have a low to mid ticket offer, and offer $100 for sale, or $200 to $250 for a sale. Affiliate, you can use affiliate marketing and create like an ebook, etc., etc. Obsessively give value, obsessively learn, and set up a funnel. Where you have MailChimp or GetResponse, those are the beginners, and they're both free. No, yeah, obsessively learn, and the keyword here is so that's how you make $100 a day.